How easy acoustic system, home-fitting easy acoustics. Proper sound field ensures great impressive audio-visual experience. How easy acoustic system easily actualize your perfect dream audio-visual room in just 2 hours. By absorbing different frequencies sound and diffusing the first reflected sound, DQ series products can effectively reduce indoor reverberation, improve sound fullness and delicacy, thus fulfilling an ideal audio-visual effect. On the left, before acoustic treatment, it is obvious that multiple reflections are superimposed here, and acoustic standing wave is severe. The sound is muddy and unclear. On the right, after acoustic treatment, multiple reflections reduce, sound wave diffuse orderly. The acoustic environment is remarkably improved. How easy acoustic system, modular products, easy installation. Modern acoustic treatment is no longer part of traditional fixtures. It will be super easy to install, uninstall, relocate, and regroup.